Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. In previous session we have learned about the PEMDAS, that is PEMDAS rule. Now today in this session we are going to talk about text formulas, and we will also see how to copy and paste a formula in Microsoft Excel. So without a further ado, let's start the video. Text formulas. A sentence is a text string or sequence of characters. So what does it mean by text? Text means a sequence of characters, or in computer language it is called as string. You cannot do operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division on it. Correct. Dear students, you cannot multiply a word with another word or a sentence with another sentence. However, you cannot do subtraction, addition, or any mathematical operation on sentences. However, you can still join the strings by using the ampersand character. Okay, you can join the strings by using ampersand character. How to join that I will show you afterwards. When you add two strings, it is called as concatenation of strings. So when you join two or more strings, then it is called as concatenation of strings. And strings means what? Strings means sentences or sequence of characters. Now dear students, in order to concatenate, that is to join two strings, we have to follow the given steps. The first step is click the cell where you want to display the result. Step 2, type the text formula. And step 3, click OK, that is the right mark, or press enter key from the keyboard to view the output. We will perform this practical when I complete this theoretical part. Now let us see how to copy a formula. Copying a formula. Instead of typing the formula in each cell, you can copy the formula to reuse it in other cells. So dear students, you don't need to type the same formula again and again if it is needed. What you can do is simply you can copy and paste that formula. Now you can copy a formula by using following two ways. The first way is copy and paste method, and second one is fill handle. First way, copy and paste method. To copy and paste a formula, follow the steps. Step 1. On the home tab in the clipboard group, click copy, or simply right click the cell where the formula is typed in and select the copy option from the context menu. Step 2. On the home tab in the clipboard group, click the paste, or right click the cell and select the paste button or paste option from the context menu. Third step, press the enter key. When you do that, the formula gets copied automatically. Now just see the technical help they have given. First one is, remember to add space either after the first string or before the second string while concatenating. So when you join two strings, it is very important to give spaces after and before. Second one, press Ctrl C to copy the selected data. So this is the shortcut. Ctrl C is the copy shortcut. Press Ctrl V to paste the copied data. So to paste, press Ctrl V. Shortcut for paste is Ctrl V. And for copy, Ctrl C. Now, let us see how to copy paste a formula and how to use the text formulas in Excel practically. Now, dear students, you can observe the data in C4 is Amit, the data in C5 is Sachin, the data in C6 is Mahesh, and the data in D4 is Divekar, data in D5 is Vyas, and data in D6 is Patil. What I have done in cell F4 is I have written a formula that is equal to, because formula always starts with equal to, that's why I have written equal to C4. What is data in C4? It is Amit. And then I have used the ampersand symbol. Dear students, we have seen that ampersand symbol is used to join two or more strings. So after C4, that is after Amit, I am going to join something. What I am joining? I am joining the empty space, that is double quote marks, space, double quote marks. So the space will be joined. After the space, I have again given ampersand symbol. It means that after space, again I am going to join something. So ampersand, what? D4. What is data in D4? Data in D4 is Divekar. So Amit space Divekar will be the output. Similarly, if I apply the same formula on the C5 D5 data and C6 D6 data, the outputs will be Sachin Vyas, Mahesh Patil. So let us see this. Just observe now. Yes, you can see here Amit Divekar is the output. Now let us use something which is called as fill handle. Yes, correct. Dear students, fill handle can be applied only if, yes, if this plus symbol, this crosshair symbol appears, it is normal mouse, it become crosshair now. Now you can drag and see the output Sachin Vyas and Mahesh Patil. If you want to see the formula, go to the formulas tab and click on show formula. See the formula C4 and space and D4, C5 and space and D5, C6 and space and D6. Fine. Now let us see what is copy paste quickly. Dear students, I am going to copy these three cells F4, F5 and F6. Okay. How to select? Like this. Don't release the mouse button, drag. Now right click on it, select the copy option, select three more cells, again right click and paste. You can observe now the data has been copied, the same data, correct? So I hope you understood today's session. In case of any queries or doubts, feel free to ask me. Thank you.